Good morning, students. Today is our second meeting. Last week we have learned about analytical exposition. Today you are going to do the practice after you listen the audio about analytical exposition. Before you do the practice, you have to know about some items you need. Please prepare your stationery and books. You can take note something what you get from the audio, because the text not be printed in your textbook. We will listen about monologue about analytical exposition. So, are you ready, students?
Analytical Exposition Listening Exercise. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear a monologue. After the monologue, there will be 5 questions that followed by answers. The monologue, questions, and answers will be spoken twice. It will not be shown in the video or printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers are saying. After you hear the monologue, questions, and answer, please decide which one would be the best answer to the questions you have heard. While doing this listening exercise, you can pause the video and make notes if you want. The monologue is for question 1 to 5.
Providing breakfast for all school students is a must. The government would pay for this in all non-fee-paying schools. Those schools that charge fees would have to implement the policy themselves, but this would usually simply mean a small increase in fees, so would have little impact. All children should have equal opportunities. A breakfast for all helps provide this. With schools providing breakfast for everyone, the start to the day will be the same for all. No one will start school hungry or thirsty. Everyone will have had a chance to wake up before their lessons start, allowing them to get as good a start to the day as possible. Children are in school to learn. To do this, they need to concentrate. To be able to concentrate, they need to have a balanced meal, one without too much sugar, that will ensure they are not hungry until lunchtime. A child who is hungry is not going to be concentrating on their studies. A study by the Indian National Institute of Nutrition has shown a regular breakfast to result in a 2% increase in test scores in addition to other health benefits. Children need to learn about how good nutrition keeps them healthy. Providing a school breakfast means that the meal can be an educational experience and have teaching alongside. This education will ensure that when these children grow up, they continue to eat healthily with future benefits for the nation's health. Providing breakfast for all students is highly beneficial for their learning processes. In the end, it makes the students soak up knowledge as much as possible.
Now, please answer the question number 1 to 5.